Hi everyone, we welcome you all. Today's video is all about some animals, insects and some birds. First we are going to trace down this cute little animal in just few easy simple steps, then we are filling the brown color for coloring it. Difficulty level for this one is somewhat medium and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Actually we are trying to trace down a honeybee and see its wings and she's flying somewhere like as shown on your screens. Fill it with some of your favorite colors. We are using the green, brown and yellow one. This drawing is best suited for the kids between the age group of 8 to 10 and it's actually a butterfly. See how big we are trying to trace down its wings so that it will look more and more attractive, and her antennae are also curved and very good. X1 is the animal that's white and somewhat pinkish in color. Actually they are black also in color, but most of them are white ones. Yes, we are talking about the rabbits and we are going to trace it down in just few easy simple steps. We are also drawing a carrot that it's holding in its hand and it loves to have carrots daily. Fill it with white and the carrot with orange color. Frogs are somewhat ugly creatures, but I find them as cute. Today we are going to trace down a frog that's actually king because we have kept a crown on its head. Follow these steps to trace it down. It looks so funny. Fill it with green color. Let's try to trace down two little fishes that are facing each other, and this one is very easy and best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. I am using black marker here. You can first draw using the pencil, after that you can make the outline using the marker. Now we will trace down an octopus cartoon character. For this you have to make some triangular shape, then you have to make the tentacles and the eyes are circular ones. Might be thinking that we are tracing down a heart shape, but actually we are drawing the two different birds and their beak is touching each other as it's apparent on your screens. Difficulty level for this one is very easy and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Fill it with any of your favorite colors. We are filling it with yellow, pink and the blue ones. The hearts in between represent the affection. This is a slice of the watermelon and a rat is trying to eat it and it has actually started eating it. For this we have to use the red color for the watermelon, and for filling the body of the rat we will use the grey color. We are tracing it out using the sketch pen. You can use the pencil directly. This one is best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. It's the chick, and see how easy it is. It looks so cute. From the spherical shapes you are able to draw this one. From these two commas, we are trying to trace down the birds that are sitting on the branch of a tree. Difficulty level is again very easy and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Thank you.